According to the latest statistics, about 807,000 Americans are living with kidney failure, also known as end-stage renal disease. Kidney failure is the final stage of chronic kidney disease, which affects more than 37 million Americans, or 14% of the adult population. However, most people with chronic kidney disease are not aware of their condition, and only a fraction of them receive adequate treatment. Kidney failure is a serious and life-threatening condition that requires dialysis or a kidney transplant to survive. The main causes of kidney failure are diabetes and high blood pressure, which account for about 74% of new cases. Other risk factors include heart disease, obesity, smoking, and family history. Kidney failure can be prevented or delayed by early detection and treatment of chronic kidney disease, as well as by adopting a healthy lifestyle and managing the underlying conditions. Quick kidney disease facts and stats. American Kidney Fund: 37 million American adults now estimated to have chronic kidney disease. How can we improve our kidney health with the best herbal teas? Hello, wonderful souls! Welcome back to Pure Wellness, the sacred space where we explore the secrets of natural healing and holistic well-being. Today, we're embarking on a journey that's close to the heart, the revitalization of our kidneys, our body's silent heroes. If you're ready to discover the soothing power of herbal teas and their transformative effects on kidney repair, you're in the right place. But before we dive into this herbal infusion of wisdom, make sure you're subscribed, hit that notification bell, and embrace the journey of self-care with us. Our kidneys, the unsung architects of balance within, deserve all the love and attention we can give them. So, grab your favorite mug, find a cozy spot, and let's explore the 6 best herbal teas that nature has gifted us for kidney repair. Your guide in this journey of wellness, and today, we're unlocking the secrets of these herbal elixirs that will not only tantalize your taste buds, but also nurture your kidneys from the inside out. Today I'm going to share with you 6 amazing herbal teas that can help you cleanse and repair your kidneys naturally. Your kidneys are vital organs that filter out toxins and waste from your blood, regulate your blood pressure and fluid balance, and produce hormones that keep your bones and immune system healthy. But sometimes, your kidneys can get damaged by factors such as diabetes, high blood pressure, kidney stones, infections, or medications. That's why it's important to take care of your kidneys and support their function with a healthy diet, hydration, and some herbal remedies. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make and drink 6 herbal teas that have been proven to benefit your kidney health. So let's get started. Number 1. Ginger tea. The first herbal tea is ginger tea. Ginger is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant that can protect your kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation. Ginger can also help prevent and dissolve kidney stones by increasing urine output and preventing the formation of calcium oxalate crystals. Ginger tea is a herbal infusion made from fresh or dried ginger root. Ginger is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant that can protect your kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation. Oxidative stress and inflammation are 2 major causes of kidney damage and disease, as they can impair the kidney's ability to filter blood and regulate fluid balance. Ginger tea can also help prevent and dissolve kidney stones by increasing urine output and preventing the formation of calcium oxalate crystals, which are the most common type of kidney stones. By drinking ginger tea regularly, you can help cleanse and repair your kidneys naturally. However, you should also be careful of the amount and frequency of ginger tea consumption, as too much ginger can cause side effects such as heartburn, diarrhea, and bleeding. You should also consult your doctor before drinking ginger tea if you have a bleeding disorder, low blood pressure, or are taking blood thinners. Ginger tea is a simple and delicious way to enjoy the health benefits of ginger for your kidneys. You can make your own ginger tea by boiling some water and adding some fresh or dried ginger slices. You can also add some honey or lemon for taste. Alternatively, you can buy ready-made ginger tea bags from the market. Just make sure to check the ingredients and avoid any ginger teas that contain licorice root, as it can be harmful for your kidneys. Number 2. Nettle Leaf Tea. The second benefit of nettle leaf tea for kidney repair. Nettle leaf tea is a herbal infusion made from fresh or dried nettle leaves. Nettle leaf is a herb that has been used for centuries to treat urinary tract infections, kidney stones, and kidney inflammation. Nettle leaf can help flush out bacteria and toxins from your kidneys and urinary tract, as well as reduce inflammation and pain. Nettle leaf can also lower your blood pressure and blood sugar levels, which are both risk factors for kidney disease. Nettle leaf tea has diuretic properties, which means that it can increase your urine output and help your kidneys get rid of excess fluid, salt, and waste. This can prevent fluid retention, swelling, and high blood pressure, which can damage your kidneys. Nettle leaf tea also has depurative properties, which means that it can purify your blood and improve your kidney function. This can lower your creatinine and uric acid levels, which are indicators of kidney health. By drinking nettle leaf tea regularly, you can help cleanse and repair your kidneys naturally. However, you should also be careful of the amount and frequency of nettle leaf tea consumption, as too much nettle leaf can cause side effects, such as stomach upset, skin rash, and bleeding. You should also consult your doctor before drinking nettle leaf tea if you have low blood pressure, low potassium levels, or are taking diuretics, blood thinners, or lithium. Nettle leaf tea is a simple and beneficial way to enjoy the health benefits of nettle leaf for your kidneys. You can make your own nettle leaf tea by boiling some water and adding some fresh or dried nettle leaves. You can also add some honey or lemon for taste. Alternatively, you can buy ready-made nettle leaf tea bags from the market. Just make sure to check the ingredients and avoid any nettle leaf teas that contain licorice root, as it can be harmful for your kidneys. Number 3. Green tea. The third benefit of green tea for kidney repair. Green tea is a herbal infusion made from the leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant, which are steamed or heated to prevent oxidation. Green tea is one of the most popular and healthy beverages in the world, and for good reason. Green tea is rich in antioxidants called catechins, which can protect your kidneys from damage caused by free radicals, inflammation, and toxins. Green tea can also help prevent kidney stones by reducing the amount of oxalate and calcium in your urine. Oxalate and calcium are the main components of the most common type of kidney stones, which are hard deposits that form in the kidneys and can cause severe pain and complications. By drinking green tea regularly, you can lower the risk of developing kidney stones and improve your urinary health. By drinking green tea regularly, you can help cleanse and repair your kidneys naturally. However, you should also be careful of the amount and frequency of green tea consumption, as too much green tea can cause side effects such as insomnia, anxiety, or stomach upset. You should also consult your doctor before drinking green tea if you have high blood pressure, diabetes, or are taking blood thinners, as green tea can affect their effects. Green tea is a simple and delicious way to enjoy the health benefits of green tea for your kidneys. You can make your own green tea by boiling some water and adding some green tea leaves or bags. You can also add some honey or lemon for taste. Alternatively, you can buy ready-made green tea from the market. Just make sure to check the ingredients and avoid any green teas that contain licorice root, as it can be harmful for your kidneys. Number 4. Horsetail Tea. The fourth herbal tea is Horsetail Tea. Horsetail is a plant that has been used for centuries to treat kidney and bladder problems, such as infections, stones, and bleeding. Horsetail is a natural diuretic, which means it can increase your urine output and help flush out excess water and waste from your kidneys. Horsetail can also help heal and strengthen your kidney tissues, as it contains silica, a mineral that is essential for collagen synthesis. To make horsetail tea, you will need some dried horsetail stems, some water, and some honey or lemon for taste. Boil the water and add the horsetail stems, then simmer for about 20 minutes. Strain and enjoy. You can drink horsetail tea up to 3 times a day, but be careful if you have low potassium levels or are taking lithium, as horsetail can affect their absorption. Number 5. Dandelion Tea. The fifth herbal tea is Dandelion Tea. Dandelion is a common weed that has many health benefits, especially for your kidneys. Dandelion can help cleanse your kidneys and liver by stimulating bile production and increasing urine output. Dandelion can also help dissolve kidney stones and prevent infections by inhibiting the growth of bacteria in your urinary tract. To make dandelion tea, you will need some fresh or dried dandelion leaves and roots, some water, and some honey or lemon for taste. Wash and chop the dandelion leaves and roots and add them to a pot of boiling water. Simmer for about 15 minutes, then strain and enjoy. You can drink dandelion tea up to 3 times a day. But be careful if you have allergies to ragweed or are taking blood thinners, as dandelion can cause allergic reactions and bleeding. Chamomile Tea. The sixth and final herbal tea is chamomile tea. Chamomile is a flower that has been used for centuries to treat various ailments, such as insomnia, anxiety, digestion, and inflammation. Chamomile can also help soothe and relax your kidneys and bladder, as it has anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic properties. Chamomile can also help prevent kidney infections by fighting bacteria and fungi in your urinary tract. To make chamomile tea, you will need some dried chamomile flowers or bags, some water, and some honey or lemon for taste. Boil the water and pour it over the chamomile flowers or bags and steep for about 5 minutes. Strain and enjoy. You can drink chamomile tea up to 3 times a day, but be careful if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or have a history of asthma, as chamomile can cause uterine contractions and allergic reactions. So there you have it, 6 herbal teas that can help you cleanse and repair your kidneys naturally. Wow, what a journey we've had today, uncovering the incredible world of herbal teas and their magical properties for kidney repair. I hope you've got your cups ready because we've just scratched the surface of a treasure trove of healing elixirs that your kidneys will thank you for. But before we part ways, let me leave you with some key takeaways. Diversify your teacup, explore the wonderful world of herbal teas. Mix and match these remedies to keep things exciting and beneficial for your kidneys. Listen to your body, pay attention to how these herbal teas make you feel. Your body often gives you signals about what it needs, so tune in and respond accordingly. Consult with a professional. If you have existing health conditions or concerns, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet. Even if it involves something as seemingly harmless as herbal teas. Hydration is key. Whether it's herbal teas or plain water, staying hydrated is crucial for overall kidney health. Make it a daily habit to keep those kidneys functioning at their best. If you found this video valuable and enjoyed our exploration into the world of herbal teas, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow tea enthusiasts, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your support means the world to us, and it inspires us to keep bringing you content that empowers you on your wellness journey. Now, I want to hear from you. In the comments below, let me know which herbal tea you're most excited to try or which one surprised you the most. Your experiences might inspire others on their path to better kidney health. As we wrap up this herbal tea adventure, remember that taking care of your health is a daily practice. Sip on these teas, nourish your body, and embrace the healing power of nature. This is Pure Wellness signing off. Wishing you a cup full of health, a teapot of happiness, and a life steeped in wellness. Until next time, take care.